Welcome to Brain Vision.
So let's start with a free body diagram. We have force at A in the y direction and force at B. And then at C, we have 12 kips. And then we have this. And this is 2.5. And from here to here, 6 feet. From here to here, 4 feet. So I'm going to solve for A in the y direction, the A force. So I'm going to do the moment at B, which is 0. So negative AY times 10 plus 2.5 times 6. 6 over 2 plus 4 plus 12 times 4. And to get this, we're finding the force at the center, so 2.5 times 6. And then we take half the distance of 6 feet and add the rest of your distance to B. So solving for all that, we get AY is equal to 15.3. So now we can look at the shear forces on the beam, and our shear force at A is going to be the same as the value that we just calculated, A in the y direction. So VA is equal to 15.3. And then our shear force is going to be linear from point A to point C. And at point C, we have 15.3 minus 2.5 times 6, which we get 0.3. And now also at point C, we have 0.3 minus 12 kips, downward force at C, we get a negative 11.7. And then from point C to B, our shear force is constant. Now for our bending moment, from point A to point C, it's going to be parabolic. So at MC, or at the moment at A is going to be 0. So now at MC, we have then 0 plus 15.3 times 6 minus 2.5 times 6 times 6 over 2. And we get 46.8. And then from C to B, our bending moment now will be linear. So we have MB is equal to 46.8 plus negative 11.7 times 4. And that's going to be 0. So now we can do our shear and bending moment diagram. So I'm just going to copy this and move it here. So this is shear force, this is going to be moment. So at A, we have 15.3, and we go down to 0.3. Then we go negative down to negative 11.7, and then it's constant all the way through, and then we return back to 0. And for our moment diagram, start from 0 and then to C, which is 46.8. And then we have a straight line right back to 0. And so our max absolute value for our shear force is 15.3 hips, and our absolute value for our moment, its max, is 46.8.